All over to you. Let's rock and roll. You notice there a bit of change in the gear, but also you see how far the box, so it came up a lot quicker than some of the tractors, and I would say better half clip. Also he has his own the major, which hopefully we will see in a short while. So he's just waiting for the sled to go back so he can reverse back into his spot. And then we have Ben Roberts, which is of course Danny's cousin. Same again, 380 in there. Come on, that's what I want. Come on, let's rock and roll. Good pull, Ben, really nice pull. We've got the weight box 3/4 of the way up the sled. Got it all together, rocking and rolling. Come on, Justin, see what we can do.
One, two. Right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm the commentator for the whole event, but I let Kate do this because she's very professional. But I always like to come up and do a little stint because I put a different aspect to tractor pulling. I tell you the story of how this all happened. It happened about 4